Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your mobile Roblox account on PC. You already own one universal Roblox account, so there is no complex transfer process involved. You simply need to access your existing account from a different device, your computer. This method ensures all your game progress, Robux, and items remain consistent across platforms. We will guide you through the straightforward steps to log in seamlessly. First, open your web browser and go to the official Roblox website. Look for the Download or Play button, which will prompt you to install the Roblox Player application on your computer. Make sure you are downloading from the legitimate source to ensure security and proper functionality. This installation typically takes only a few moments, often less than 2 minutes, depending on your internet speed. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once Roblox Player is installed, launch the application. You will see an option to log in on the main screen. Enter the exact same username and password you use for your mobile Roblox account. Double-check your credentials to avoid any typing errors, which is a common mistake. Your account details are universal, meaning they work on any device where Roblox is supported. This is the crucial step to access your full profile. After successfully logging in, your profile should load, displaying all your linked data. Check your Robux balance, examine your avatar's inventory, and launch a favorite game to confirm your progress has carried over. If you have two-step verification enabled, you might receive a prompt on your mobile device to approve the login. This ensures only you can access your valuable account and its contents from a new location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.